Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up a website and you will find this link into the comment section below. Just go to this website and from here you will see another IDM website which will bring us to the extension site. Okay, just tap on that. And from here you need to select the add to Chrome option. Just tap on that again and click on add extension, and it will take some time to add a Google extension. As you can see, we got this. So after downloading, what you can simply do is to go to the three dots on the top right side corner, tap on that, and then go to the extensions, and from here manage extension, tap on that. And as you can see, we got the IDM integration tool which is turned on. So after going to that, as you can see, here is the details option. You need to tap on the details and make sure that it is turned on, and then scroll it down and you need to select this as all sites. All right, then also you need to turn the allow in incognito mode to on. So that's how you can add IDM extension in your Google Chrome in PC. So thank you so much guys for watching this video and have a great day.